Bike in a Box introduces the RAPTR franchise-free Micro Cafe, a compact all-in-one solution for selling on the go, featuring 100-watt solar panels and signage, a built-in hand wash sink, gas burner or cash drawer, a low-voltage and power management unit with a 12-volt battery. There's plenty of storage shelf space built into the RAPTR, as well as a fresh and wastewater tank. The RAPTR is designed for everyone who wants to start their own business on the go. Whether you plan on selling coffee, beer, popcorn, retail, or providing information, the RAPTR is designed for many different layouts and needs. You can sell cold brew and pour over coffee from the RAPTR with ease. Want to sell beer, soft drinks, lemonade, kombucha, and more? The RAPTR can do that. Selling popcorn and prepackaged foods has never been easier. Or use the RAPTR to sell your retail goods, advertise your college programs, or for community outreach. Whatever you need to do, the RAPTR from Bike in a Box can help you get there and make it happen. Are you ready to roll?